Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next
Today,
video.
I will take our time to talk about what's been happening in Adamawa State. And you see, when I talk about these critical national issues, I talk about them because the truth has to be told about these national issues. Uh, what happened in Adamawa was sad for our democracy, it was very bad, and it's an assault on our democracy. And I tell people, I'm a journalist because I want to make, you know, a lot of sense. I'm a journalist because I want to try as much as possible to be able to educate people. And when I educate people, I break things down for them. And that's the thrust of my job as a journalist. In Adamawa, it is the returning officer, RO, that normally announces results of election. If you've been watching the election process, sorry, I just got into my hotel room. If you've been watching the election process, it is the returning officer that normally uh, announce that this person or that person has won. So what happens is that the returning officer will announce and tell people that this is the winner. But in this case, the resident electoral commission went to announce the result of an election that was not concluded. Which is an aberration in the law. An election that was not concluded. There were still 10 local governments to go. Even Fintiri was leading. Then they went to announce the results. And when they announced the results, it caused a lot of tension. And Madam Binani further went further to read an acceptance speech of an illegally announced results on NTA. And the question is, please, everybody should go and ask MBC, why have they not found MTA? If it was Arise or other TV or VOP or other channels that carry that something, they will say, and it was an opposition party that was involved, they will say, oh, they are part of treason. Because declaring yourself when the electoral body have not ratified you winner is wrong. It's treason. In a same country, the police authority should have invited and started to investigate Binani now. And NTA carried such a story and they were not fined. And if we, even when guest comes and says things on Arise and we fact check them, after fact checking them and informing the public what is the truth, NTA still goes ahead to fine us. I mean, MBC still goes ahead to send us letters. But NTA has done this now. No word has been said. MBC has not done anything to NTA. You see that NTA wants to say they don't know that they had not finished collating the results before the announcement was made and before that acceptance speech was made. There's something called editorial quality. Is it that the editorial quality of the state broadcaster that you and I, our taxpayers' money, is involved in running? Is it that there's no editorial quality? Is it that if something is fake news, that's how the state broadcaster will carry the story? Because Binani's reading of acceptance speech based on an illegal action by the rec is fake news. So let's call it what it is. They carry fake news. There's something called editorial responsibility. And it was inciting because after that happened, there was violence in the states after that report was shown on TV. Now, Benani has now further went ahead to court to be able to seek judicial review of what happened. An illegality. Now they're seeking judicial review in court. That's the story now. Now, what is also happening is the fact that Inec has summoned people to come to Abuja. What conclusion would they reach? Only time will tell. If you remember, this is the second time something of this nature happened. And kudos to the returning officer, that professor that was unfortunately beaten, which is sad. Kudos to him for standing for the truth. You remember the professor too in Abia. That was how they wanted to compromise her, but she said no. So I keep asking, what kind of country do we want to build? For all my admirers, I thank you all for the support. I keep doing all of this. I'm just taking some time off to rest. I'll be back soon and I'll be able to, espouse more ideas when I get back. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much for the huge community we have on Facebook here. So I know there's a community here, over 120,000 of you here. But please, because I want to use this as a platform to give you more stories. So if we can do a million before the end of the year, a million people here, then we can give ourselves qualitative information for good here. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for the love for the community. And when I do my daily news story review, I'll also bring along this our Facebook community where we get a chance to be able to espouse a lot of great ideas. I love you all so much. You mean so much to me, each and every one of you. Thank you for the love you're showing me. You know, bless you so much. I appreciate you all. Concerning Kogi politics, I saw somebody on TV yesterday berating Yaya Bello. That's why we say, please, even if evil is done in your favor, don't support it. There's a video I played. This was the same smart Adeyemi that was commending Yaya Bello for being a great man when Yaya Bello helped him to win against Dino Melai. So now he's complaining that Yaya Bello is a bad person. Ask him, when everything Yaya Bello did favored him, why didn't he condemn it then? It is righteousness that will exalt a nation. Sin will always be a reproach unto any nation. And let's do what is right. See, nobody is a saint, but it takes great courage for a man when he's realized his mistakes to come out and tell you, I realized my mistake. I talking to you, I'm not going to tell you I'm the saint. But when I err and you put it to me, I will come and say, I'm sorry, I realized my mistake and apologize and try so hard not to repeat the mistake. But our politicians, when you tell them, they try so hard to suppress you and shut you up because they are not ready to learn. And that's the sad reality of our country and our continent. We should do better. It is righteousness and good tidings that exalt a nation. I love you. Bless you. My Facebook community. I love you guys so much. I'll be carrying you on in all of this anytime I do analysis like this. Strictly content for great watchers like you. I'll come back to the screen soon. I just need to take some well deserved rest I'll be back on the screen, you know. So bless you.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.